In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Apple credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is export your Apple Card statement. Before you move into QuickBooks, take a moment to make sure the file matches the QuickBooks template. This is an important part of the process because QuickBooks needs the transaction data in a format it can recognize. If the columns or layout don't line up properly, the upload may fail, or the transactions may not import correctly. So it's always worth checking your file carefully before moving on. Once your file is ready, head over to QuickBooks Online. After you're signed in, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Accounting. This is where you'll find the tools related to your accounts and transaction activity. From there, go into Bank Transactions. This section is where QuickBooks lets you connect accounts, review imported activity, and upload transaction files manually. If you're importing rather than linking directly to a financial institution, this is the area you'll be working in. At the top right, find the Link Account button. Next to it, you'll see a small caret icon. Click that caret to open more options. This is a useful detail because the File Upload option is tucked into that drop-down rather than shown as a separate main button. When the menu appears, choose Upload from File. This will open the Import window where you can browse for the statement file you prepared earlier. Select your file and continue through the prompts. As you upload the file, make sure to choose the correct account type and set it as a credit card account. That step matters because it tells QuickBooks how to categorize the imported transactions. If you assign it to the wrong type of account, your records may not reflect the activity accurately, so take a second to confirm your selection before finishing. Once that's done, QuickBooks will process the file and bring in your Apple Card transactions. After the import completes, you can review the entries inside the Bank Transactions area and make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. That's how to import Apple credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. It's a simple process once your statement file is properly prepared, and taking a little extra time at the beginning can help the upload go smoothly from start to finish.